I'm Wendy Jo, and this is my channel. I'm really glad you found me, and I'm excited to be able to provide for you all kinds of information about earning passive income. That is what my channel is all about. And not only do I give you step-by-step on how to earn passive income, but I also have all kinds of trainings here that are going to show you the ins and outs of the tools that we use to earn passive income. So whether you're looking to make money on YouTube, or if you're looking to make money through Etsy or print on demand, or if you want to know how to use Canva or the different tools that can be used to help you grow your business, you're in the right place. All of my trainings are free. You will not find paid trainings of any kind on my YouTube channel. A lot of people have found me through TikTok. It's kind of how this whole thing started. I've had this YouTube channel for a while. I have several other channels that are income streams for me, but this one was kind of just a side thought. I hadn't really done much with it. And when my TikTok account took off, when I started talking about earning passive income and how we earn multiple six figures through several different streams of income, I decided that the more questions I got over here or over there, that there was just too much to share there. So I give little short info, pieces over there, and then I send people to here to get more in-depth training. So I have got a whole bunch of trainings lined up for you guys. I'm going to be updating. I don't even know how often right now. I'm going to do my very best to get at least a couple videos a week. It takes a little while for me to get them edited and ready to upload. I did finally get my good camera working and figured out the video settings on that. So that's going to greatly improve my ability to do these videos for you guys, because I was having such a hard time with my technology. The next step is to upgrade my computer system. I hope I can do that before the end of the year. But if you've followed me for very long, you know that we're very big on living on cash, not credit. And so, I have to budget for those things just like everything else. Life, so much fun, right? So I'm glad you're here. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification button if you want to know every time that I have a new video posted. And if there's something you'd like to see a training done on, just make sure to jump in the comments and let me know so that I can get that done for you. I appreciate all of you guys. So my goal is to get this channel monetized by the end of October, which, to monetize on YouTube, you've got to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And maybe we'll hit that goal, maybe we won't, but that's my goal with this one, because all of my other YouTube channels, those are streams of income for me. This is all absolutely pro bono at this point, because this channel isn't very big, but that's okay. I still hope that I'm able to add value to you. And again, if you do find value in something that you see on here, make sure to leave a comment and let me know what it is that you liked, if there's something else that you would like to know about, and I will make sure to get back to you on that. So if you don't know, you can follow me on TikTok at the Wendy Jo, and obviously I'm here as well as Wendy Jo Davis. So enjoy my channel, and I'll be seeing you soon.